Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2, fractions, decimals and rational numbers. What is our topic name? Fractions, decimals and rational numbers. In that, first of all, let us discuss about fractions. First of all, what is a fraction? Fraction means what? A fraction is a part of whole. What Nana? A fraction is a part of whole. For example, this is a cake. This is what Nana? Cake. So what I am doing here, I divided it into 4 parts. In that, I am shading 3 parts. Okay, so like this. This is a whole, means it is a cake. Whole is nothing but total, mottam, 1. Whole is nothing but 1. This is a 1 cake. I divided into 4 equal parts. Out of 4 equal parts, I just want to distribute 3 parts to my friends. My friends ki 3 parts I just distributed. Then we can write it as total number of parts 1, 2, 3, 4. That we consider it as 4. Okay na? And out of 4 equal parts, I just distributed 3 parts. That is what? 3. Now 3 by 4 is a fraction. Okay na? A fraction is a part of whole. Now we can write the definition. A fraction of the form a by b. What is the form of a fraction, Nana? A by b, where a comma b are whole numbers. A comma b are whole numbers. A b clearly whole numbers, and a not equals to b not equals to 0. Clearly we know b is a whole number. The 0 is a whole number, but according to condition, it should be not equals to 0. For example, a fraction form what? Fraction that is equals to in the form of a by b. Clearly a comma b belongs to whole numbers. B is not equals to 0. Here a is called what now? A is called a numerator. A is called what? Numerator. And b is called what now? B is called a denominator. Okay, a is called a numerator and b is called a denominator. So let us write some examples here. I am writing the examples of a fraction. 3 by 4. Here 3 is called what? This is numerator. And this is called 4 is called what now? Denominator. Okay, because of clearly b is not equals to 0. 3 and 4, these two numbers are whole numbers, and in the place of b it should not be equal to 0. And 6 by 1, it is also a fraction. 6 is called what? Numerator. Okay, and here 1 is called what? Denominator. Okay, but 5 by 0, it is not a fraction. Not a fraction. Because why it is not a fraction? According to definition, a fraction in the form of a by b, a comma b belongs to whole numbers, b is not equals to 0. అంటే b place లో ఇది a, ఇది b. b place should not equal to 0. That's why 5 by 0 is not a fraction. Okay? It is meaningless also. Now see the classification of fractions. Classifications of fractions. Classification of fractions. Classification of fractions. Classification of fractions. In the first one is a decimal fraction. Decimal fraction. What is decimal fraction? Decimal fraction means the fraction whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000 and so on are known as decimal fractions. Okay, students, clearly the denominator of a fraction is 10, 100, 1000 means the power of 10. Okay, examples we can write it as 15 by 10, 7 by 100, 190 by 1000. So these are the examples of a decimal fraction, because of clearly the denominator 10, 100 or 1000, power of 10. Okay, now vulgar fraction. What is the next fraction, Anna? In the classification of fractions, the fraction is vulgar fraction. What is the meaning of vulgar fraction? Vulgar fraction means what? A fraction whose denominator is a whole number, other than 10, 100, 1000 and so on are known as vulgar fraction. Is it clear, students? What is the definition of a vulgar fraction, Anna? A fraction whose denominator is a whole number. We know 10, 100, 1000, these are whole numbers, but in vulgar fraction the denominator other than 10, 100, 1000 etc. అంటే the power of 10 లేకుండా రిమైనింగ్ ఏ హోల్ నెంబర్ అయినా ఉండొచ్చు in the place of denominator. Now we can write the examples here. 21 by 19, 5 by 7, 153 by 170. Clearly the denominators are not a power of 10. So this is these are the examples of a vulgar fraction. Okay, now the next one is proper fraction. What, Anna? The next one is proper fraction. Proper fraction means what? The numerator of a fraction is less than its denominator. Okay, the numerator of a fraction is less than its denominator, then such fractions are called proper fractions. Proper fractions. What Nana? Simply the numerator of a fraction is less than. And the numerator is a small number, denominator is a big number. Okay na? The numerator of a fraction is less than its denominator. Denominator kante takku undali. So then such fractions are called what are proper fractions. The examples are 2 by 3. Numerator is a 2 is a numerator, 3 is a denominator. 2 is a small and 3 is a big. Okay. 7 by 9. 7 is a numerator, 9 is a denominator. Clearly, the numerator of a fraction 7 is less than its denominator. Denominator kante takku undi, 9 kante less. And 12 is a numerator, 27 is a denominator. Okay na? The numerator of a fraction is less than its denominator. So etc. So these are the examples. Okay. Next, improper fraction. Improper fraction means what? Improper fraction. Improper fractions means what, Nana? The numerator of a fraction, the numerator of a fraction is greater than or equal to its denominator, then such fractions are known as improper fractions. Okay, students, clearly the numerator of a fraction is greater than ante ekku undali. Okay na, the numerator of a fraction is greater than or equal to its denominator. Okay na, ante simply the examples are, the numerator of a fraction is 12 and the denominator of a fraction is 12. So it is a 12 by 12. It is an improper fraction because of, according to the definition, the numerator of a fraction is equal to its denominator or greater than. Numerator అనేది denominator కంటే ఎక్కువన్నా ఉండాలి లేదా ఈక్వల్ గా అయినా ఉండాలి. So 12 is a numerator and 12 also denominator. So both are equal. Numerator denominator equal. So this is a improper fraction. Or we can write like this also. 19 by 7, 5 by 13. Okay. So 15 by 13, 29 by 18. So these are the examples of a improper fraction because of numerator is a big number, denominator is a small number. Numerator big, denominator small. Numerator big, denominator small. So 29 is a big number and 18 is a small number. So clearly improper fraction means the numerator of a fraction is equal to its denominator or greater than its denominator. Is it clear? So these are the examples of a improper fraction. Next, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means what? Mixed fraction. Okay? Mixed fraction means A fraction is called as mixed fraction a fraction is called as mixed fraction. The combination of whole number, the combination of whole number and a proper fraction. Okay, students, a mixed fraction. A fraction is called as mixed fraction. The combination of whole number and a proper fraction. For example, a whole number means I am writing a whole number is 2. Proper fraction means that is 1 by 3. 2 1 by 3. Now this is called as a mixed fraction. Okay, now students, and the whole number I am taking 5. 7 by 9. 7 by 9 is a proper fraction. Now this combination 5 7 by 9, it is a mixed fraction. So these are the some fractions, classification of fractions. These are some fractions. Okay, students. So you to read the definitions properly and you write your own examples. Okay. Thank you.